Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have social media banners 15 pack in PSD file. No tutorial, I know you can do easily how to add or how to change any things like color, background or images etc. Here is 5.1 plus GB data with no password. Just drag, download and use it. Here is my new website you can visit, and inshallah I will upload daily upload data. So we go to web design and element, see here website, and today I have and today social media templates. Click on social media templates, and here is 15, 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9, 1, 10 and 3 2 mean 15 total templates. Okay, and for example I click on this and you see here 808 MB and you wait, no more ads. Just click on download, or I will upload soon here data because I have already created categories: banners, business card, vectors, elements, templates written. Okay, papercraft 0. Just click, open new window, maker.nz, and you can download it. Okay, simply you can go any other sites like cafe edition social media kit. Here's 539 MB in PSD, AI, JPG for Photoshop or other software like Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or you can use any other like mobile editor, PNG. Sorry for text message. And I hope this data useful for you. Kindly visit it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.